Lars for me is what, like, to be cool and in tech looks like. Lars is really, really cool. Lars plays the guitar. And Lars is a TypeScript whiz. He's a TypeScript whiz. It's incredible. Like, I look up to him.
Lars is the rock star of this group, and he's just suddenly like, I don't know, like human compiler and TypeScript like ninja. Like he will talk about function overload and union types, like just like that.
He's our guy when it comes to TypeScript, and I would even say pretty much Angular, because he is pretty crazy when it comes to those two things. But specifically TypeScript, he's I'm not gonna say the only one, but surely when I think about TypeScript, he built his reputation in our group around TypeScript. We always ask him about types.
When I've posted like challenges, Lars looks through them, Lars comments, and like sometimes I've forgotten about it, and I'll see it like maybe 7 hours later. That means Lars actually looked at my post and thought of how to improve it so I can get better too. That blows my mind. That blows my mind. I mean, if he doesn't do that, it doesn't take anything from him. It takes his own time to do that.
When the other older experts ask him about TypeScript, I tend to listen, and usually I understand.
And of course, Lars, by being, like I mentioned, human compiler, he basically knows TypeScript, like he wrote it by himself.
The developers on that team, in TechStack Nation, are very curious people. So Lars has been programming, as I said many times, for decades, and he's still he's as curious as like a junior developer. You couldn't tell. If you couldn't see his face or whatever, everybody use avatars and maybe they could distort their voices. You would think probably he's maybe like he's as curious as the day he square program.
Now I have a group of people who are experts like me, and I can just drop a question, and if someone knows something about it, he or she can answer it. And it's really, it's like an interactive search engine, better than AI, and it's way better than everything else.